Hello and welcome. Today we're going to install new memory. Sometimes you're going to upgrade your memory. Maybe you don't have enough and you want to add some to your system. It's a fairly cheap way of upgrading your system to get more power out of it, and very easy to do. This is the memory module. There's a little slot in there. Sometimes there's two, depending on your style of memory. You want to go ahead and make sure those are lined up. These go in easy. If you're pushing and using excessive force, something isn't right. Something's not lined up correctly. Stop what you're doing and look at it. In here, we have these little tabs here and one on the other side as well. You want to make sure those are open. If there is a module in there, go ahead and unclip those and pull it out. You want to make sure that it lines up. You don't want to force it in. If it doesn't line up, simply turn it around and slide it back in. If it's the correct memory module for the motherboard, that slot's going to line up with the slot on the motherboard, and you can go ahead and slide it in and give it a little firm push and it will snap into place. The two little tabs on each side will actually click. I always go ahead and give them a little push, make sure they're completely locked in, and that's it. That's how you upgrade your memory. Simple enough. Go ahead and plug everything back in and enjoy. Thank you and have a good day.